In this video, we are going to look at Grifform's slot drain sink. Grifform's slot drain sink is manufactured from solid surface. A slot drain sink can be installed onto the ramping sink type and runs the entire length of the sink. Ramping sinks are popular in modern or minimalist design. Ramping sinks are often installed as undermounts. Grifform's ramping slot drain sink can be mounted onto a solid surface top, which can be requested with different edge treatment variations. These sinks and tops can be customized to any width, depth, or sink mounting position. Solid surface slot drain sinks are popular because of the sleek, seamless appearance of solid surface and the discreet draining style of a slot drain sink. With hundreds of different solid surface color options and the largest diversity of customizable solid surface products anywhere, whatever your solid surface needs, Grifform Innovations is here to help.